Now, let's talk about the base and quote currency. Now, this is one of the things na kailangan nyong malaman or kailangan nyong matutuhan since you have to understand kung ano yung ine-exchange nyo or kung ano yung pinagpapalit nyo in exchange of something. Now, the base currency is the asset that you are trading. And it is the coin or token you are buying or selling. And it is always shown in the pair. So basically, itong base and quote na to, laging magkasama siya. Ngayon, si base currency is laging nasa left side. And the quote currency naman is yung currency na ginamit mo para bilhin or ibenta yung isang asset. And it is what you pay with to buy 1 unit of the base. So basically, yung base is yung binibili mo and yung quote yung ginigive up mo to buy the base currency. Now, it is always shown second or which is the right side. Now, for example, we have the BTC or USDT. Etong BTC na to, yan yung base currency natin. And then yung USDT, which is the stable coin, yan yung ginigive up natin, yung binabayad natin para ma-acquire etong BTC. So, let's say, BTC costs $100,000. Ngayon, you will give up your $100,000 to acquire to gain the BTC or the Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is the base currency. Yan. The USDT is the quote currency. Meaning, 1 Bitcoin costs 100,000 USDT. So basically, base is what you want and quote is what you spend. Now, let's move on naman sa bid and ask price. Now, sa bid and ask price, this is similar to the bidding event, di ba? Kung meron kayong alam or knowledge sa bidding or sa procurement, makikita nyo or mapapansin nyo rin siya sa financial markets, sa digital financial market. So, bid price is the highest price that buyers are willing to pay. And if you sell now, you sell at the bid. While the ask price naman is yung offer nyo. The lowest price the sellers are willing to accept. So ngayon, if you buy now, you buy at the ask. Let's say, for example, BTC USDT ulit on a certain exchange. Now, you are bidding or the buyers are willing to buy at $42,000. So, yun yung bid. While the sellers are asking or willing to sell at $42,020. So, ngayon, if walang magbibid ng $42,020, then hindi ma-fulfill yung order. Ngayon, kung hindi naman willing magbenta si seller ng Bitcoin at 42,000, which is the bid ng buyers or kung ano yung kaya nilang ilabas for the Bitcoin, then walang exchange na mangyayari. So basically, that's how bid and ask price works.